Changing direct deposit on CRA account. Hello viewers, welcome to the channel. Today you are going to learn how to change direct deposit on CRA account. So let's get started. You can update your CRA direct deposit details in 4 ways. These are online through your bank, credit union, or by mail or by phone. For online through CRA My Account, you have to sign into your CRA My Account and then go to the individual section. Here open your profile and then scroll down to direct deposit section. Then click edit and enter your new banking information. If you're using a mail option, fill out the Canada direct deposit enrollment form and mail it to the receiver general for Canada at the address listed at the bottom of the form. Processing may take up to 3 months. And if you're using phone, call the CRA at 1-800-959-8281 to update your direct deposit details. This is how you can change your update or your direct deposit information with CRA. And that's all. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.